honey, it's me. Just letting you know that me and the boys are going to be coming home early tonight because of the rain.
Shit.
We're pretty hungry, so if you could start heating up the food now, that'd be great. Love you. See you soon.
Jordan, hurry up over there.
Jordan, what the hell?
What? I'm waiting on you, man.
You're supposed to be cleaning up the place.
It is clean.
This is not clean.
Look around, dickhead. It's practically spotless.
It's not clean, all right? You are just lazy.
Lazy? You being obsessed with cleaning does not make me lazy.
Obsessed. Really? We haven't cleaned after ourselves in a week.
A week? Oh my god. How can we work like this? Like animals. Get the fuck out of here with that bullshit, Jordan.
So what? We clean after ourselves once a month? Twice a year? Jordan, where the hell do you think you're going?
To the car. Come on, you're wasting time.
Is that vascular brain damage? We can't keep leaving places like this.
That's not funny.
You're right. Going back to jail because you're a slothful dumbass isn't very amusing.
Seriously?
Seriously.
Are we really gonna do this?
All you gotta do is help me clean.
Let go of him.
Help me clean!
Never. How about you clean when you want to clean and I'll clean when I want to clean? Happy?
Happy. Let's see how that works out for you.
No.